Hello friends, in this video we are going to look at special characters like greater than, less than and ampersand, and how to include that as part of the HTML5 document. The HTML markup is done through tags enclosed between these greater than and less than symbol. For example, if you see here, the head tag is placed between this greater than and less than symbol. So they together constitutes the tag or element. So how do we add greater than and less than as part of the document content? Well, because when a browser is parsing the document content, it identifies the tags or the elements using this greater than and less than symbol. So if you want to place this symbol as part of the document itself, you have to use special characters. So the syntax is ampersand, then character notation, after that semicolon. So the ampersand and semicolon is fixed. Character notation changes. Say for example, if we want to print less than, then the symbol is ampersand LT then semicolon. So this way we can print the special characters. So if you directly use, it will get, if you directly use these symbols, it will get converted into this char notation. Here is the example for char notation. So from line 13 to 15, if you see, we used 3 character notations, and the first one is 10 less than 15. To specify the less than, we have to use ampersand LT. LT stands for less than, then a semicolon. Similarly, for other 2 line, we used GT. GT stands for greater than, then AMP. AMP stands for ampersand. Using this notation, one can create their document in any language. For example, the author can write his document in Japanese language. That means there will be a character sequence for the language characters. So all those, each character will appear following this notation. So ampersand, then the char code notation, followed by the semicolon. You can refer the below link to know such a special character. The site displays a variety of special character that you can use with your HTML document. So here is the content of that link, and if you see, if you want to print explanation, then the notation is ampersand EXCL semicolon. Similarly, you can use any notation. Say for example, this is 1/4, right? So if you want to use that, then you can use ampersand frac 14 semicolon. So you can define any symbol here. See, it's a phone symbol, right? Alright, just go through this link and you will come to know what are all the special character you can use. However, it is not displaying the language specific characters like Japanese or Chinese. So here is our example, and if you see, we used 3 special character here: less than, greater than and ampersand. So our goal is to print 10 less than 15 and 15 greater than 10, 10 and 10 are equal. So let's execute this and see how it appears in the browser. So I'm simply dragging and dropping it to our Chrome browser, and if you see, we just printed the special characters. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.